Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be doing a little bit of unboxing. As you can see, the scissors and the box. Now I'm very short on time because my phone is about to die, so we can get this over with. Alright, so here. Oh shoot. Okay. Alright, that's done. Over here. Put this down. Just want to be careful because something you gotta always be careful when unboxing. Alright, here's the part we're all been waiting for. The seam. Alright. Well, I probably did not do it right. Oh, wait. I think I did. Yeah, I did. Okay. Alright, there. Okay. And boom! Xbox One. Xbox One. That's it. I don't want to sound like ungrateful, but like, I thought it was gonna be like a 1. I mean, a 1S. But it's just like the one I have in my mom's house. 500 gigabytes. I don't know what the Go means. Yeah. So, thank you, Dad. And here's my Xbox, my messy room. The old clunky Xbox. Here's the one I have in my mom's house, the slimmer Xbox. Yeah. Really short unboxing. I kind of feel bad for not making it anticlimactic. Probably should have done this facing the front. But anyway, I hope you liked my first unboxing. Like, comment, and subscribe if I should do more unboxings. I'm out of here. Gotta play this thing.